Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a short video. So I'm going to DIY a shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt and I'm going to fit it and I'm going to redo it, and they want it to be a short sleeved shirt. So I'm going to take you with me. It's just a short video, a quick one. If you have your old shirts, don't throw them away. You can just transform them into good, nice looking shirt. It's going to be a quick one, an easy video, and I hope you like it. If you like it, make it a point to give this video a thumbs up. Comment with your favorite and what you want me to do next, and make sure you subscribe. Please kindly subscribe and let's go straight to the video. Oh, I didn't have power, but it's back now. I'm motivated to working again. I've been editing a video. Unfortunately, power, like the battery is off. It's down completely. The good thing, it has just gone off after power coming back, so I'm not worried. I'm going to do this. It's going to take me something like 40 minutes. Cutting it and sewing it, and we do it. So I'm going to turn the camera and I show you and I tell you what you need, the requirements, and then we go straight to the video. Thank you. So guys, this is the shirt. It is a long sleeved shirt. The only bad thing about this shirt is it is fraying, like it frays a lot, and I have to overlock it because I have to redo all this and this side too, and I'm going to cut the sleeves into short ones. So I marked where I want my sleeves to stop. I want them to be like here, but because it is fraying, I have to lock it or serge it, and then I have to double hem for me to get some good results and to avoid fraying. So the requirements are your shirt, of course, the fabric, your scissors, you need tape measure to measure the size because it is too wide, it is too big, it is large, so I have to reduce it. And then you need your chalk or anything that you can use to mark your points, okay? And then another thing, you need a matching thread, you need your machine, and then you need your soft. That's all we need, and we are going to go straight into the video, the cutting process. So guys, that is our shirt. I've already lined it together. So if you want, you can pin it for it not to move around, but whatever I'm going to do is very simple. So what you do is you come here and measure the length of the sleeves that you want to have. So this is 9.5, and I want it to stop here at 7.5. So I added this inch for me to be in position to do what. So what you can do to double hem it, I don't know whether you can see that. So what you do, I'd already marked, so you just go and make a straight line. You make sure it's straight like that. So I'm going to cut it following that line. So that is done. So I'm going to do the same thing, only that I'm going to use this to get equal measurements. I'm going to use this and I'm going to align it. You can pin it if you don't trust your alignments. You can pin it and you make sure everything is in position, and then I'm going to just cut this from here, or you can use a marker or a chalk, whatever you use for marking, and cut that. So this is what we are going to work with. So the shirt is too big, very big, so I have to
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life